Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will guide you on how to change the country settings on X, Twitter, using your PC. It's important to have the correct country set for personalized content and tailored experiences. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Visit your account. Open your web browser and go to the X, Twitter website. Log in to your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Click Account Information. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account settings and find the option labeled Account Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your password and then select country. For security purposes, enter your password to confirm your identity. Then, locate and select the country option within the settings. Step 4. Select the correct country from the drop-down. A list of countries will appear in a drop-down menu. Choose the correct country that you want to set for your account. Step 5. Click Agree and Continue. After selecting the country, click on the Agree and Continue button to save the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the country settings on X, Twitter, using your PC. Enjoy a more personalized experience tailored to your location. Thank you for watching.